If you're curious to know what the Reno winters are like, this is the video for you. My name is Amy Tully, and in this video, I'm going to go over what it's like living in Reno during the winter time. If you enjoy this type of content, please like and subscribe. And if you're thinking about relocating to the Reno area or moving, feel free to reach out and I'd be happy to help you. Reno, Nevada is located at the base of the Sierra Nevada range. Winters in Reno does get fairly cold here, ranging anywhere between the 20s and 40s. Snowfall is common here in Reno, but it does depend greatly year to year. On average, Reno receives 21.8 inches of snow each year during the winter months. Snowstorms can occur, however, they are met with sunny days, which helps melt the snow relatively quickly during the afternoons. So if you're worried about driving in the snow, just remember that it will end up melting by midday, which is really great. However, if you're not used to driving in the snow, my recommendation would be to get some really good snow tires. Give yourself some extra time to get from point A to point B so that you could get to your destination safely. This winter is one for the books. This winter has actually made its way into the second most snowiest winter in 77 years. According to the Central Sierra Snow Lab, we have received more than 56.4 feet of snow and counting. The Central Sierra Snow Lab keeps record of how much snow the Tahoe Donner area has received. The record for the most amount of snow happened actually in 1951 and 1952 at 67.7 feet of snow. I feel like at this point in time, we may come close to beating that record, or at least coming neck and neck with that record. As of recording this video, it being April and it's supposed to be spring, it has already snowed a few times. So I kind of think we have a good chance at maybe coming very close to it at least. With all the snow, it has definitely helped our water resources. According to Steph McAfee, she is Nevada's climatologist. She reports that Nevada's reservoirs are near or above normal for late February, which is really great. The Sierra Nevada and Great Basin has nearly 1.5 to 3 times the amount of snow than normal for late February. Not only did Northern Nevada get a lot of snow, but Southern Nevada, our counterpart, actually got some snow as well, which is pretty cool. The best part about all the snow are the winter activities, and luckily enough, Reno is located next to some really great resorts. The first one I'm going to talk about is Mount Rose. Mount Rose is only 25 miles southwest of Reno, and you actually get some really cool views of Lake Tahoe as well. With a summit elevation of 9,700, its base is actually the largest in the region near Lake Tahoe. The cool thing about Mount Rose is that it actually has 60 trails and 8 chairlifts and a bunch of terrain for any skill set. You could snowboard, you could ski. It's really great because it's so close to South Reno. The next one is Diamond Peak Ski Resort. This is located 35 miles away from Reno, fairly close as well. This is on the north shore of Lake Tahoe. When you go here, you also get some great views of Lake Tahoe. This resort offers 655 acres of skiable terrain. It also has 30 trails and 6 chairlifts. It's definitely a resort that you want to check out as it's family friendly and affordable. The next one is North Star. This is 45 miles away from Reno. This is a very popular resort. The cool thing about this resort is that their village has a lot of amenities, restaurants, bars, definitely a place that you could hang out at after a full day's worth of skiing or snowboarding. This resort has 100 trails and 20 chairlifts, so it's fairly big. And if you're coming here for the weekend or, staying a day, you will definitely have a lot of mountain to explore, which is really cool. The next resort is Heavenly Mountain Resort. This is 60 miles south from Reno, and this is another popular resort as well. The neat thing about this resort is that it actually straddles Nevada and California. You could also do skiing, snowboarding, or if you're not into either of those, they also have a really cool village that you could hang out in. You could eat, you could do a little bit of shopping, check out the restaurants. This resort has 97 trails and 28 8 chairlifts, and this is the largest ski resort in the Lake Tahoe area. It also has some stunning views of Lake Tahoe as well, so it's a cool one to check out. The next one is Palisades Resorts, formerly known as Squaw Valley. This is a resort that's 50 miles away from Reno. This resort offers 6,000 acres of terrain. This resort also has 270 trails and 42 chairlifts. So you'll definitely have a full day of fun. This is a fairly large resort where there's so many things that you could do. You could ski, you could snowboard, you could also check out the village. And the cool thing about this resort is that the 1960s Winter Olympics were held there. So it's definitely known for that. When you drive up, you could see the Olympic rings out there. You definitely have several resorts that you could choose from, and that isn't even the comprehensive list of all of the ski resorts. So there's definitely so many that you could choose from. And if you're like me and you feel that winter is more bearable by doing winter activities, whether it's skiing, snowboarding, sledding, snowshoeing, then you're definitely going to want to check out the area, get on some slopes, go check out some trails, because there's so many around us that you could definitely have a lot of fun on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, bye-bye.